Hey guys, today we're back in a tutorial. A tutorial I have to make an end screen. I'm not gonna, put a lot of talking like the others. Oh my god, wait, what? The page- Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, so this one already got. So I think how to make an end screen is make sure you're in a PC, okay? And then you go to the content after you're in the channel customization site, then go to the content, find the video, then hover over it, do not click it, then right click details, then you can put some description, pick some thumbnails, and you gotta click this end screen area over here. Okay, so it's here, and then just pick, a random thing. Wait, which one do I pick? I think I'm gonna pick this. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it this over here and over here. Just pick it and what thing, anything you want. Wait. I don't like this. Let's let's just pick this one. Just pick anything you want. It's your own choice. And I'm gonna put it right here. So, and I'm gonna end it right over here. It's gonna be it's gonna be 30. Wait. I think it ends. Yeah, I think it does. So I think I'm gonna put one, then 35, or maybe 32, then 32. Oh wait, I gotta. Oh come on. Wait, I gotta pick another element. Which I need a sub. Wait, can I add another video? Yeah. Okay. So, okay, I think it does. Wait. Okay, over there, then I think I'm gonna pick this video. Just pick any video you want. A small giveaway. Let's pick that. And then wait, okay. Let's just do this, to be quick. And then think I think I'll just put, I think I'll just put 9 maybe. Yeah, I think that's good. So yeah. So let's play this and wait for some. Oh yeah, let's. I'm sorry, I'm so okay. So let's do it right there, then over here and over there. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, then just like that. Then you click save, and then it's a bit, um okay. So yeah, after that you're gonna go back here and it's done. So that's it. It's super simple, guys. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Some tutorials, some more. Subscribe for some more tutorials of videos like this. Bye.